Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to turn on Smart Compose in Gmail on your PC. Smart Compose is a powerful feature that helps you compose emails faster by suggesting relevant phrases as you type. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by entering your credentials. Step 2. On the top, click Settings. Look for the gear icon located at the top right corner of the Gmail interface. Click on it to access the Settings menu. Step 3. Click See All Settings. A drop-down menu will appear after clicking on the gear icon. Select See All Settings to access the full settings page. Step 4. Next to Smart Compose, click on Writing Suggestions on. Scroll down the settings page until you find the Smart Compose section. You will see a toggle switch next to Writing Suggestions. Click on the switch to turn on Smart Compose. With Smart Compose enabled, Gmail will suggest relevant phrases as you type, making your email composition process faster and more efficient. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks to optimize your Gmail experience on your PC. Happy composing!